Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101. Today we're going to show you something me and my wife put together, and this is actually for our Dachshund, Mocha. She's 10 years old and she's kind of having some trouble getting up the stairs, and if you know about Dachshunds, they are definitely kind of prone to having back issues and stuff like that. So we've been noticing over the last week or two that she's been having it, so we decided to build this little custom ramp for her, and that this is just treated lumber that we got, so it'll be outside. And what we ended up doing was we measured what we would need to have from the very grass all the way to a step, and then we cut each of them to the same length, and then we just got these metal brackets, put them all the way. And the one thing we did do is, which I'll try to insert the picture if we have or not. If not, is you can take clamps if you're going to be screwing these in. Before you screw them in, grab the clamps, clamp them on right here and here, then you'll have no problem screwing them in. You won't worry about them moving or adjusting. And what we ended up doing was putting pretty much 2 screws for each board. And as you can see, we have 6 of them. And then what we ended up doing at the very top here, and I just kind of put ramp with an arrow, is we did a 35-degree angle cut right here for, so when it goes flat, not almost flat against the deck. And then my wife found this fantastic kind of carpet that kind of matches the deck, and what we ended up using was our compressor stapler, stapling this in. This carpet is made for outside. As you can see, turned out really good. It didn't take us that long to do, a few little tweaks in that, and that's it. And I think it probably took us total from start to finish was about an hour. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you how we're kind of training her to go up the ramp, because when I lived at home a long time ago, we had Jack Russells. She broke her leg, and I had to build her a ramp similar to this, and we're going to kind of show you a way to kind of train them to kind of go up this ramp using treats. All right, as you can see, we have our ramp set up outside, and what we ended up doing to make it kind of flush with this is we have a big joist. As you see, Mocha's already wanting to go up because she knows what you do is to train the dog to get them to go up the ramp is give them little pieces at a time. I gotta give one the latte. You just keep putting it right in front so she feels comfortable walking up the ramp. So she, and that's why it's very supportive. So she walks all the way up. That's a good girl, Moki. One more. Come on. Don't be starstruck in front of the camera. Good girl! There you go, get it, good girl! As you can see, this is our latte. She doesn't need the ramp, but Mocha's been having trouble with getting up this last couple weeks. And with this ramp, we've already been testing it with her to train her with that. And the biggest thing is this positive reinforcement for the dog. When they go up the ramp, you praise them, praise them, praise them. Even if you have the clicker to do the clicker, that's good. Isn't that right, Mocha, man? Yeah. And Mocha also has her Howling creation, so does Latte, that we had made from Howling creation. These fantastic winter collars for them. So, but that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed this quick video. If you guys want more details of how we made this, right in the description down below. I'll be happy to really, dive in and make another video like really step by step. But pretty much it's very simple. All you do is you just pretty much measure your length to the ground. Yes, we have snow, but measure what you need the length, what angle you need, what type of treated tube wood that you're going to use. Find a good outdoor carpet and something that has good grip to it, because that's very key for the dogs as well. So that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this helps you if you do have a pet that is getting older, that's a smaller dog like a Dachshund, Jack Russells, and that. So write in the comments below if you guys have any questions. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you guys down the road.